Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, big story I posted yesterday on my Facebook group. This seemed to light up everything quite a bit. Here's the story. So catch the headline and where it's at. It's at techrepublic.com. Okay, so here's the headline. JP Morgan's Athena, 35 million lines of code won't be updated for Python 3 in time. So as all software, it does have a sunset. Python 2, I didn't even know this, but Python 2 came out in 2000. Whoever came up with this idea to do their coding in version 2 should be fired. 35 million lines of code invested in a Python 2 when you know that thing's going to get eventually outdated and no longer supported. So here's some of the comments of what people are saying. So this thing's an entire platform for research, 1,500 developers, 150,000 Python modules, 500 open source packages. I mean, there's a lot of investment put in this thing. And they also mentioned some of the packages they were talking. Very interesting article to see how a bank, pretty well one of the largest banks in the world, how they maintain it and how they use Python. So oddly enough, I find that quite interesting, which comes back to what I always say: if a bank can do it in Python, why can't you build a simple little trading bot in Python, be it Forex or crypto? So I've got that course happening, and I just made this new page to make it nice and simple for people. Right here, you just go to quantlabs.net/Python. Let me repeat that. Hey, Paul, how you doing? So it's quantlabs.net/Python. This has just been created yesterday. The price will eventually make its way up to $497 from $249. So in there, we are now, if you don't know, got live signaling happening for the crypto, live signaling for the Forex. The crypto was going crazy last night. And last week, that time, it was the Forex beyond 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It was bizarre. So money could have been made. But trading opportunities were knocking. So the crypto's been doing pretty good. I'll be talking about the different performance on that with the tracking. Trade history's now been kind of working. It's still got a lot of bugs to figure out, but it's there. But anyways, if you want to know how to write your own bot, this is the course. As I said, it's going to be making its way up to $497. We just got a couple of referrals this week, and it just shows you how people like it, as well as the course is part of the entire swath of stuff that I do, the Elite, for 3 years right now as well, if you want that. So if you got any questions, just comment below, and I'll try to sort you out wherever I can real fast. Just go to the quantlabs.net page, look at 100% response time in 9 minutes via Messenger. That's on facebook.com/quantlabs.net. We shall talk to you later, and hopefully you'll be part of that course. Oh, I forgot. You get that. You get lifetime access to our private chat server where we got lots of cool people on there and posting all kinds of stuff, my own stuff that's private. I don't make public. Other than that, we shall talk to you later. Bye.